Hey guys, what's up? It's Brandy Chanell. If you're new to this channel, here on this channel, we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to bridal showers to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right guys, so this video is exactly what it seems like. It's going to be a compilation of my bridal shower preparation and some of the decor once it's finished. I hope you guys enjoy, so take a look. So it is bridal shower week, and I'm putting these super cute labels on here. I got these from a company called Bridal and Brandy. So I'll put the name of the company that I got these, and then I got these labels from Zazzle. So they're a little tricky because, you know, of the shape of the bottle, but I thought this was really cute because it matches the sign that I'll show you shortly. I'm gonna show you right now. The sign. Oh my gosh, isn't that cute? Oh my God, we love continuity. This is from Etsy, so I'll leave the Etsy shop for this as well down below, along with any other things I can think of. So that's the welcome sign, and then I'm just kind of putting these labels on here. Are you helping? That's so nice. Yeah, these I had to end up cutting the ones from the bottle company because they were too long. They said they're supposed to be for champagne bottles, but they're definitely for wine bottles. So these are a little tricky because they're not fit in this shape, but I'll figure it out. Oh, and I want to show you my nails. How cute are these? Oh my God. And then I'll show you the cookies as well. And then all of these flowers are from Dollar Tree. This bride sign or balloon is also from Dollar Tree. I'll be putting a green wall up together, or putting a green wall up on the day before the shower. So, all right guys, I want to show you these cookies. They're so pretty. Look at the gold. And then here's the big box. Brandy's bridal shower. These are so cute. Shout out to Suarez for doing the cookies. Hello. It is bridal shower prep day today. I am currently going to meet my parents up at our clubhouse to set up for bridal shower. I have the car already packed and everything. Y'all, I just want to tell anybody, just be ready and flexible because things definitely are not going to go as planned. I went to our HOA office today to pick up the keys for the clubhouse, and girl, they were like, we don't got no keys. You got to come back at 12 o'clock. I was like, yeah, I'm not coming back at 12 o'clock. Anyway, so it worked out, but it was a little cuckoo at first. I was just like, girl, just be ready for anything. All right, let's get to decorating. The car packed to the brim. Oh, you can't really see. I don't know why it's blurry. That's silly. Anyways, that's the green wall back there, all kinds of stuff. So let's get it. All right, this is the before. Again, a special shout out to my mom, my aunt, my uncle, my dad, and my cousins for helping set up for the bridal shower. It was a beautiful day. The sign and all the teacups and everything, all the decor turned out exactly like I imagined. The plates are from, I believe, Amazon. I have some of those teacups for sale on my Poshmark page. I'll leave the link in the description. And the wall turned out great. The wall was from Amazon, and I stuck all those flowers just also bundled together on the wall as well. It's my cute little dress. And then these shoes. I got these shoes off of Poshmark several years ago, and then I got these shoe clips from Amazon. I'll leave the Amazon link down in the description. This dog hair out of there. It's giving all the tea vibes, girl. Right? I love it. And this dress is from, I'll leave the name of the boutique on the screen. I think the dress is sold out, but I did see one left on Poshmark if you guys want to get it. I have it in a size medium. Absolutely everything I had hoped for. I saw it on Pinterest, and I'll show you guys it on Pinterest as well. But I just love the iridescent sequins. I love anything sparkly, and I love all the colors too. It's very springy, tea party, baby shower, wedding guest, all the things. Discard the madness back here. Yeah. Love these clips. So cute. This dress is everything. And then you can wear it like off the shoulder for a dreamier look. I love it. Outfit success. Look. Outfit. Put it up. Yeah. So cute. Oh, I'm obsessed. And then my hair, I just did like a faux bun and some little bangs, and I put wet gel in it to make them like curl up. So cute. I love it. All right, guys, the bridal shower done. It is so crazy, like all the planning and everything, and the day is over. It was so much fun, and I'm so grateful for all the people that showed up and flowered me or showered me with gifts. So amazing. That was a car full of all the things, but now it's on, like it's for real, for real. So I hope you guys enjoyed whatever compilation of things that I've been able to put together. Yeah, until next time, you'll catch me in my next one. Bye. Oh, and just thank you everybody so much. Like y'all don't even know how much it means to me. It's just so weird to think that I kept saying it the whole time, like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this is like my bridal shower. Anyways, yeah.